Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Tanya Hope has effortlessly showcased her chic and bold fashion sense through her stunning bikini choices, capturing attention with each appearance. Whether by the beach, poolside, or during exotic photoshoots, she never fails to exude confidence and grace. One of her most iconic bikini looks features a classic black two-piece, which beautifully complements her toned physique. The minimalistic design, paired with her sleek, wet look hair and subtle makeup, highlights her natural beauty while keeping the focus on her striking silhouette. She often pairs her bikinis with oversized sunglasses and beach hats, adding an extra layer of glamour to her ensemble. She dons a vibrant red bikini, adding a pop of color to the scenic backdrop of the ocean. The fiery hue not only accentuates her sun-kissed skin but also enhances her adventurous persona. Her choices also extend to more experimental styles, such as printed bikinis with intricate patterns and vibrant colors that reflect her playful side. Whether it's a floral bikini that adds a tropical vibe or a striped design for a more retro feel, her choices never shy away from making a bold statement. In some of her beachwear looks, she adds delicate accessories like anklets, bracelets, and layered necklaces, which complement her bikinis without overpowering the overall look. Tanya's fashion sense extends beyond the bikinis themselves, as she often pairs her swimwear with flowing kaftans or sheer cover-ups, offering a perfect blend of comfort and elegance. These flowing fabrics create an ethereal look when caught in the breeze, further enhancing her beach goddess aura. Her attention to detail and her ability to blend elegance with sultry beach fashion is what makes her bikini choices stand out. Whether she's opting for a high-waisted bikini set to channel a vintage vibe or a modern cut-out piece for a more daring appearance, the beauty continues to set major fashion goals. Her ability to switch between classic, timeless looks and trendy, fashion-forward pieces shows her versatility as a style icon. Each of Tanya Hope's bikini looks is a reflection of her bold, adventurous spirit, and impeccable taste, making her one of the most admired figures in beach fashion. She often experiments with different cuts and fabrics, ensuring that each look offers something unique. She has been seen in asymmetrical bikini tops that add an element of surprise, breaking away from the traditional bikini styles. These pieces, often featuring bold color contrasts or unique straps, give her a modern edge, making her stand out in the crowd. She also embraces high-cut bikini bottoms, which elongate her legs and give her a statuesque appearance, emphasizing her strong, athletic frame. In addition to her bold choices, the actress pays attention to the fabrics and textures of her bikinis. She's been spotted wearing luxe fabrics like velvet and satin, which bring a touch of sophistication to her beachwear. These materials catch the light beautifully, creating a shimmery effect that adds to her glamorous look. Another striking feature of her bikini fashion is her affinity for metallics. Gold or silver bikinis are a frequent choice, which not only give her a radiant, sun-kissed glow but also evoke a sense of luxury and opulence. Tanya also isn't afraid to mix and match, pairing different bikini tops and bottoms for a fun, creative look. This approach allows her to show off her playful side, reflecting her adventurous nature both in fashion and in life. Whether she's combining a printed top with solid bottoms or mixing textures like crochet with sleek fabric, she knows how to maintain a balance between trendy and tasteful. Her bikini wardrobe often includes animal prints as well, which add a fierce, bold statement. Leopard or zebra print bikinis underline her fearless fashion sense, showing that she's unafraid to embrace her wild side. Alongside this, her choice of swimwear accessories elevates her looks further. She often pairs bikinis with body chains, giving her beach style a more glamorous, editorial feel, while her selection of large, floppy sun hats adds a touch of old Hollywood elegance. Tanya's approach to bikini fashion is all about versatility and making a statement. From sleek monochromes to eye-catching patterns, the actress curates each look with precision and flair. This combination of simplicity, elegance, and bold experimentation is what solidifies her as a style icon in the world of swimwear fashion. She transforms each look into an iconic fashion moment, inspiring her followers to embrace their own individuality and confidence, whether lounging poolside or strolling along the beach. Her bikini fashion also highlights her ability to flawlessly balance femininity and power. She effortlessly pulls off delicate bikini designs with floral patterns or pastel shades that exude a soft, romantic vibe, while still maintaining an aura of strength and boldness. She's often seen in light, pastel bikinis that contrast beautifully with sun-drenched backdrops, creating a serene, dreamy look. The use of light, airy colors like baby blue, lavender, and blush pink enhances her soft features while keeping the focus on her natural allure. These looks often come with subtle ruching or frill details, adding a flirty, playful element to her beachwear. Tanya isn't afraid to explore more daring bikini styles, such as those with deep necklines or cutout designs. These edgy pieces showcase her adventurous fashion sense, breaking away from the traditional norms of beach fashion. Her high-fashion, strappy bikinis with intricate detailing often feature bold colors like emerald green or electric blue, making her stand out with a confident, sultry presence. These designs not only highlight her well-toned physique but also bring a modern, avant-garde twist to traditional bikini fashion. Whether she's wearing a bandeau bikini that emphasizes her shoulders or a halter neck design that offers a chic, modern edge, her choices are always cutting-edge and fashionable. Her ability to seamlessly blend swimwear with resort wear is another aspect that makes her bikini style so memorable. Tanya often transitions her beach looks into daywear by adding stylish kimonos, lightweight scarves, or crochet cover-ups. These pieces not only serve as functional layers but also elevate her bikini outfits into full-fledged fashion ensembles that are perfect for pool parties or tropical vacations. The way she integrates flowing sarongs or beach wraps into her outfits adds an elegant, breezy vibe that makes her looks effortlessly chic. These ensembles, coupled with her signature confident pose and radiant smile, make her bikini fashion truly iconic. Her attention to detail is evident in her accessory choices. Whether she's donning oversized sunglasses that channel a retro glam look or opting for dainty anklets and minimalist jewelry, her accessories always complement her bikinis without overshadowing them. Her flawless makeup, often characterized by glowing, bronzed skin and a hint of shimmer, further enhances the overall aesthetic of her bikini looks, blending seamlessly with the sun-soaked environments where her photo shoots often take place. Her overall bikini fashion is a reflection of her versatility as a style icon. She can effortlessly switch between soft, feminine looks and bold, high-fashion statements, embodying both elegance and power in each outfit. Whether on an exotic beach, lounging by a luxurious pool, or participating in high-energy beach activities, her bikini choices always reflect her vibrant personality and impeccable taste. She's become a trendsetter, inspiring countless fans to embrace both confidence and creativity in their swimwear fashion. Tanya's color palette in bikini fashion is just as varied and thoughtful. She understands the power of color and how it complements her skin tone and the settings of her photo shoots. Bold colors like red, electric blue, and hot pink are often her go-to choices when she wants to make a dramatic statement, especially against the backdrop of azure waters or pristine white beaches. She also knows the allure of neutral tones. She's been spotted in bikinis in shades like white, nude, or muted browns, which lend her an understated yet undeniably sexy look. These neutral tones, paired with natural makeup and beachy waves, emphasize her effortless beauty, making it clear that simplicity can be just as captivating as boldness. The beauty occasionally embraces bikini styles with cultural or artistic influences. She has worn bikinis with ethnic prints or tribal patterns, which give a nod to her cultural roots and add an exotic flavor to her beachwear. This thoughtful incorporation of cultural elements shows that Tanya not only follows global fashion trends but also values heritage and craftsmanship in her fashion choices. And if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.